Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kyle with Complete Pressure Solutions. So today we are at a house with a rather funky setup. I think you will all agree once I kind of walk you around and give you a tour. So the main reason I was called out here was to contend with this pool deck and this enclosure. And there is another little enclosure as well that I'm going to be cleaning, which is in there. Which, this is where things get funky, because it's like another enclosure within an enclosure that goes into another enclosure. I feel like I'm on an episode of Pimp My Ride. Yo, dog, I heard you liked enclosure, so we built an enclosure and an enclosure for your enclosure. Boo! Man. So we're gonna be cleaning up this little brick walkway, this brick here, and we're gonna be cleaning off in there, and I'm probably just gonna do a little bit in there too, just for the sake of thoroughness. But yeah, pretty simple. We're just getting this place spruced up a little bit. Yikes. Hello, friend. You'll have to excuse this random intro with me not talking too much. I'm still getting over being sick, so that's just kind of a look at everything. So I'm just going to throw this one on the time lapse. It's going to be a quick video because it's going to be kind of weird setting a camera up and using an area, so let's just go ahead and get to it. everyone. So before I throw the before and after pictures up, I knew I said I was going to make this a short one, but I had to chime in here. So I'm sure you could tell, like especially when I was in here and when I was over here as well, in that weird little area, that the drainage or lack thereof here just kind of made rinsing everything just an absolute dumpster fire. So let me go ahead and close this out here. Enjoy the before and after pictures. It is definitely a very, very good result. So as always, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.